Alright, so I'm getting ready to hook up this relay block here, and I've got two different types of breakers. This is just your standard, just your on-off, I don't even know what it's called, type, whatever. The old style, the easy style to hook up, the ones you don't have any problems out of. But this is a garage, and in order for it to pass code out here, it has to have the AFCI, the GFCI, the dual protection on here. So you've got your constant and your common. You got your hot and your common going in there, and this one here, you just basically got the hot turn on and off, and that's it. So 15 amp because I'm using 14.2 wiring for this, and more to come here in just a minute. So when it gets done getting hooked up to the actual relay, see where the arrow is, that's where your neutral goes. The hot goes down to the bottom, and I guess I'm gonna hook up the relay block and hook up a couple lights and see if I can get that working, and then I'll plug this relay or the breaker into the breaker box. For the lighting, I'm using these 6-inch ceiling mount little slim panels here. So each one of them has a controller here, and you can touch the temperature of the light. So down here at the bottom is cooler temperature, here's hotter temperature. It just means the color of the lamp that will be shown. Personally, because it's in a garage, I'm going all the way down there, and you go walk in this garage with 20 of these things going in this thing. Once I get the ceiling in, you will be blinded by the light. And blinded by the lights. Wow. Pulling these out. So that's all they are. It's a quick connect. Hook that up. They just you use this here to cut your hole. Pop these tabs right here up, and it just snaps in place in the drywall. I'm assuming this is 1/2-inch drywall that it should fit in, maybe 3/4, whatever. It should fit in any of it really. So even 1/4 inch, I would imagine it would still fit because it's pretty tight there. All right, let me hook up a couple of these and we'll see how it works. All right, well, here's the test. I'm about ready to click these relays right here. And they'll come in here to they'll trigger this, which will trigger this, which will trigger those. So this is either going to blow a breaker or it's going to work, and I'm not real sure which. Hey, check that out. Hey, check that out. Huh. So the breaker didn't blow. And again, this is just a test to make sure this thing worked. So give it one more little go right here. You see that right there is relay 1, and it's working. And I put the other one on relay 8, and that's working. And turn that off. Turn that off. And can't believe I got that to work. So and I got this one hooked up down here, and then that is pretty cool.